Good morning, it's 6:50 on the 15th of October. It's UK time, 10 minutes to the open in 6E. And I'm gonna go through what happened on Friday and what's my plans for today. Okay. These are my scenarios for the Friday's trade. Scenario 1 was a test lower and continuing the overall trend to the upside. Scenario 2 was a test higher to the nearest HVN and turning lower and extending to around 616 LVN. This one. And scenario 3, the one in brown, was a trend up. So what happened is this. This is what happened on Friday. As per scenario 2, I had a test higher to the HVN here and a sell-off to the orange line here. It tested slightly higher than the previous day and in line with one tick the high of this day, or 2 ticked. This is at 660.5, and Friday was a tick and a half, 3 ticks higher. And then it sold off to the fill in the LVN. Actually, it made a VPOC right at this divot in the composite. Big HVN double distribution day with a strongish low. This is how it looked in for Tikarenko the day. There it is. The quick test up. Early on, really early on. And continuation lower. Scenario 1 was a test lower to this LVN and a continuation higher. Scenario 2 was test higher and continuation. Because it didn't continue higher than this, it was difficult for me to deduct if this is going to be scenario 2. When I tested the mid, continued lower, but then I had more conviction. Yeah, that's what we're doing. Tested the VPOC, back to the IB. It's a steady selling day, as you can see. And once it got to the LVN 616, made a little balancing zipper, went lower, tested the yesterday's low, took it out by a tick, a point, 2 ticks, and continued higher. to test the mid and finished forming this VPOC. So that's how it went. For today, the expectations are as follows. Okay. We open at 608 right here, so scenario 1 is balance open auction kind of open. And drift lower to the 600 century figure. Back to the VPOC. Test the previous day LVN. Go higher. And take the previous day high. Take it out. So that's my scenario 1. Scenario 2. My most likely scenario is scenario 1, a continuation of the overall trend to the upside. Scenario 2 is open auction, balance in this high volume area, and slightly, slowly turn lower. Test the low. And on the downside, there's a naked VPOC here as well. Sure to attract price. And on the downside, we'll get to the 560, 565, 562 area, which is this LVN here. This one. And LVN on composite. This is a Monday, so the range is not going to be... the range is not very likely to be big. Mondays are normally quieter, but not always. And scenario 3 is going to be a trend day in one of the directions in with the Italian story still working on, so I'm not expecting a trend up day. So if there's going to be a trend scenario, it might as well be to the downside. So trend down day, like so. And that is it, and we'll do it again tomorrow.